All right, Todd with Jeep Speed Shop here to talk about our PSC pulley modification we use for the big bore box in the Truck Hemi. So 5.7 Truck Hemi from 2009, and this is actually a 2021 engine. So we changed the timing cover. This is in an earlier video we were showing this engine with a different alternator and all that. So we changed the timing cover to make it an older style engine. And so we're doing this HEMI conversion in this Jeep, and it has a big bore box. So PSC pump using our pulley bracket setup, which only works with the PSC pump, like so. So it bolts on just like so to the engine so that you can get the belt out of the way of the box. So crucial on this is getting this pulley installed properly. If the depth is off, it'll squeal and you'll get noise and so on, because the distances here and here are really tight. So this needs to be right on the money. And so it's kind of hard to do. Got to take straight edges and check your alignment on the pulleys, because if they're off, it'll squeal or you'll have some issues. So got to double check, triple check. Best to do it now, like this Jeep, when there's no front end, so there's no water pump or no radiator and so on in the way. So all right, this video is to show everybody the our pulley setup to get the belt away from the big bore PSC box. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.